everyone, and welcome back to another video. It's Brianna Ray from BriY here to bring you... Oh my gosh, I forgot what I'm filming right now. Oh right, vinyl. So I found, of course online, as you always do, someone who did like a faux embroidered look using puffy vinyl, and naturally I absolutely have to know what that's all about. So I got some different packs. This one's a lot of yellow. I believe I could not tell you why I decided yellow was the color for me, but it was probably an impulse from another day. So I have this set of three yellow sheets. There comes with a user manual, and from the same company I got a multicolored pack, which feels probably a bit more up my alley. And as you can see here, we've got a nice variety pack of just about every color you can imagine. I think there's 12 different ones. So we've got white, black, red, orange, yellow. We've got a dark green. We've got a bright green, two different blues as well, a very magenta, pinky purple, what looks like, ooh, a very nice lavender purple, and silver. So yeah, I do have a lot of yellow, but overall I think this is a really nice selection of different colors here. And let's take a quick read on these directions. So nothing about these directions seems different from regular heat transfer vinyl. So really this is just going to be a test to see how much it puffs, how much it imitates that embroidered like three-dimensional look, if it just becomes puffy or if it kind of takes on any certain, like a specific kind of texture, lines, dots, you know, whatever. And I'm really interested. So I'm going to go recycle this packaging because I already have some place to put these. And we're gonna head over to my computer where I have a design ready for us to test out. I think I'm gonna go just with black and white, and I've got this this fun, bright, like turquoise blue t-shirt. I feel like I got this from the Dollar Tree a long time ago. It's just a medium ladies tee. And I have this quote from a book I read recently that I really like. And one of my reading challenges that I have in my reading challenge book series that I've been doing on TikTok is to take a quote that I like from a book and put it somewhere to display. I think I'm gonna go with just a simple white and black design on this bright blue top. So the texture is different on both the black and the white. So the white kind of has these like dots almost across them. And the black, however, is kind of got like these lines almost. They've kind of got the dots, just not as prominently as the white. And you can see like it kind of has this like pattern of lines going across that I don't really see in the white. And I don't know if it's just because that's the plastic or what, but this definitely feels rougher compared to this one. This one's smoother. So I don't know what that necessarily means, but yeah, you can kind of see like the difference between how rough this is and how rough this one is. It's like way more prominent. So I'm interested to see how that works. Oh, friendly reminder as well, do not forget to mirror your vinyl and make sure it goes down on the right side. I did both of those things, and I'm just really proud of myself for remembering this time. I spoke too soon. This is supposed to be black, and I had selected the black one, not the white one. Nailed it. So my design is going to be in reverse now. All right, well, I'm gonna peel this guy off, and I'm gonna weed and get all this ready while I pop the black on, and we let the cutter do its thing. So smack this on, and we'll hyperlapse through the weeding of the white because this is the littler one, so it's going to be a thrill, I'm sure. If you're wondering what this is, yeah, I did a print and cut, and some of the black ink from the scan lines, I think just stained my roller, so that's all that is. You know, the saddest part of this is I was thinking the whole time, I'm like, hey, that might be a little too tiny. Like maybe it won't weed out really, really tiny details like that. And surprise, I was right. This guy did pretty well though. Babe, ready here? It said 10 to 15 seconds, so let's do this real time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. Now it says to let it cool completely. I mean, it definitely looks puffier, does it? It's kind of peeling away already. Oh, hello there. Ooh. Oh. You can see like the lift it has and like the texture of it. Interesting. Oh, that's so strange. Cool though. Okay, now for the back, we've kind of got it all centered up, and I want to see if the black has a different effect. All right. Oh, it's so cool, guys. I love this. Like, I can't believe that I've been using regular vinyl like this whole time. That's like lots of regret there, dude. I wish you guys could feel this. Like, it's so clearly textured. Now, do I think that this imitates embroidery? Not necessarily, but I do know that the specific piece I was looking at did have like regular vinyl on the inside and then this on the outside to kind of imitate like an embroidered outside. So maybe that's what I need to be doing. So this is kind of like, I'm gonna do just another really quick project and see if that kind of creates that look. But seriously, the feel of this is so freaking cool. All right, here's just a quick tutorial if you don't know how to do the offset thing. So this is what I'm going to make my interior color. I don't know what color I actually want it to be. I'm just gonna make it red for now. And then when I click on that again, you go up to here to offset. It's right there next to your flip and arrange. I'm gonna come up here and it'll actually give you an offset, and you can kind of drag it until it gets to like the size you want. All right, so you should be able to tell I've got, this is, I switched my colors up, of course. I used the yellow because I have so much of it, I figured might as well. And I've got the flat regular vinyl. So this one puffs, this one does not. I picked a rough size to be doing this. So I do believe I'm going to be kind of cropping this up just the tiniest bit to resize it. And in the most classic me fashion of all time, of course, I messed it up. Look at that I and that B. It is a wreck. Oh my gosh, it's so bad. This, because the only way that I can explain this is when it puffs fast, and it like pops this off so super fast as well. Like this just pops right off. Like no need for it to dry. Like I could tip it over and everything would fall off. It came off super, super quickly. So do not pick your iron up until it's done, and you can actually see even all the extra texture that was added from the layering. So this is definitely maybe not one you want to layer. Here's kind of an up close look at that texture on this Y. Super weird on the Y, and I don't know if this is because it got a little bit of extra heat or what. These are some of the different like more up close and personal textures, so you guys can kind of see. And arguably with this, yeah, it kind of does look a little bit more like it was embroidered on. Almost like almost a rug sort of texture is the best way I can describe it. It's super interesting. I think this stuff is super cool. I think there's a lot of possibility with that, and I feel like there's something about it that feels really that feels like almost screen printed. And I think that's maybe one of the big differences between this and using like a regular vinyl. Yeah, I think this is super cool. I hope you guys enjoyed kind of testing this out with me. And, you know, I'll leave a link to the ones that I'm using in the description box below if you want to get some for yourself. But yeah, definitely a cool concept and a cool product. I would say try it just at the very least so that you can touch it and feel what it feels like, because it is so, it's like, it's still plastic, it's still vinyl, but it's like, it's puffy. That's all I can say. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you saw, feel free to like and subscribe. I put out new videos every Sunday at noon Eastern Standard Time, and I would love for you to be here for the next one. Thanks again so much, and I hope to see you then. Bye!